Well, hello there and welcome back. Today I have another spring decorate with me video to share with you. If you're new here, my name is Robin and I absolutely love to decorate my house with thrifted and vintage items. So today will be no exception. We're actually going to be working in my living room today and we're going to add some personality to this space. The room has been cleaned, decluttered, and it is ready to go. So I'm going to start pulling in some of my vintage and thrifted items that I love so much, and we'll see if we can't make ourselves a fresh, bright, cheerful space that's got a cottage style feel to it for this spring. So unfortunately, I am recording this video on a very cloudy, rainy day, so the lighting might be a little wonky, but I am not going to let that deter me from getting this room decorated for spring. I didn't have a second sheet music book, so I'm faking the look of it by using a similar sized book and paper clipping some sheet music to it. You can see the paper clips from this angle, but from further back, the oil lamp hides them, so it works out perfectly. In this little area next to my fireplace, I have this antique print that I picked up at an occasional sale that I absolutely love, but I'm not crazy about the frame. It's got like this green tinge to it, which really doesn't do it for me. So I'm going to give it a quick little makeover today, but look at the back of it. It is marked on the back December 25th, 1933, and I just think that is so cool. So I'm going to try to preserve that as well. So the first thing I did was ever so carefully removed the paper backing, trying to make sure that I didn't rip it at all. Then I removed the print itself, and I grabbed some sanding blocks. My goal is to try to remove as much of the green stain as possible to get down to the raw wood. I'm loving this look lately, so I'm using two different sanding blocks. The first one is a fine grit sandpaper, and the second one has a coarse grit sandpaper on it. I also went ahead and used just a small piece of rolled fine grit sandpaper to get into the little grooves. And after a little elbow grease, I was able to get down to the bare wood, and I absolutely love how it looked. To protect the wood itself, I'm using this Clear Ultra Matte Varnish, which is my favorite top coat ever. I gave it 2 coats, and this is what the finished product looked like after I put the print back inside. Some places still have a little tinge of green, like in the crevices and stuff, but I actually think it sort of enhances the look of the frame itself, and I couldn't be more happy with how it turned out. I also did preserve the little handwritten date. I just kind of cut out a little square of it and then taped that on the back. I don't know why I think that is so cool, but I do think it's cool, and I want to keep it with the frame. So I'm going to hang this in the corner here, and I think it looks fabulous. So that, my friends, is the finished look for my spring living room. I am loving how it turned out. It feels bright and cheerful and not overly decorated, which is absolutely perfect for this time of year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. And of course, check out the description box for products listed in today's video. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.